presenting the Internet of Things based garbage recycling system and its implementation method. So slide for this. Yeah. In our problem, we are presenting an invention generally which is related to the IoT based garbage recycling system and its implementation, because this system consists the cap which is mounted on the multi-chamber dustbin body for covering the chambers of the dustbin, and ultrasonic sensor which is placed at the top of the dustbin to measure the texture of the dustbin. And we are attached the plate with the cap to measure the height of the filled garbage in the dustbin, and the control unit which is interfaced with the GSM model and the ultrasonic sensor to trigger the GSM model, and therefore alert the authority if the garbage cross the threshold height, and the smell sensor and a mechanical filtering unit connected with the control unit for filtering and separating the different garbage in a different chambers. So this problems actually we are find out how it is addressed. It is a present option is it is useful to the Swachh Bharat program and under the Clean City Green City program. And solution, we are ready to manufacture this because we are making this dustbin. These are our IPR status. And the target customer for each use case means our system is useful for the municipal corporation, big industries, and the mainly for the MIDC areas. And the total we cannot find out the total addressable market. And the channel for the commercialization is all district of the state of the India. And the constraints is a time is a 1 to 2 weeks as per the manpower, and the funds we are not deciding, industry will decide that. And the equipments needed for that multi-chamber dustbin is a multi-chamber dustbin, GSM modem, smell sensor, filtering unit, ultrasonic sensors. And we are ready to transfer our technology. Sir, any question?
Sir, can you explain one kind of a live example how this can be used effectively?
सर ये हम म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के लिए मोस्टली यूज करेंगे.
चलो let's
अगर
see.
हमारा डस्टबिन, sorry,
just take example. How big is the city? How many lanes? How many roads? How many dustbins? How it will be monitored? They will see on their computer in their office garbage कितने भर गए हैं. Then they'll decide कहाँ पे vehicle भेजना है, वहाँ से उठा के लाएंगे. Is that the way we're thinking?
sir, at the present situation, sir, there is no any management for the waste properly. So no proper management above for all these problems for the waste. So we are making this for a proper planning and management system. Our sir, new idea is for adding the IoT to e-waste management. And through the IoT recycling system which is generated, we have created this specific dustbin which is designed to collect the waste generated in the proper dustbin for every area, so that it should be managed properly. So we are using some sensors as well as we are mounting up one plate. When our garbage, our dustbin is full, it will give a message to the authority.
I think the concept may be good sounding, but doesn't look like overkill, in which something which can be seen visually very easily, and we're putting a sensor there and then getting feedback from there that what is happening there. I mean, have you really thought some better scenarios of how it can be really useful? More as a actual work case rather than a only academic thing.
I can't hear properly, sir. Sorry.
I think we need to think of more scenarios where this technology can be used. Just using technology for technology's sake and making it overkill, would it be workable? I'm not very sure.
I have the same view on this, whether is it realistic to implement this in cities?
Yes.
To have these IoT based dustbin? Or
Yes, sir.
there are some concerns that you need to address before putting this technology into practice?
See, Doctor, I'll again tell
Yes,
you
sir.
one thing, these things are useful when they can be stepped up by technology. If we understand that this IoT is giving information about how much garbage is there and how the smell is there, and
Yeah.
the subsequent action required can also be taken through some technology, then it's workable. If the technology is only giving communication back home, that please send a vehicle to pick me up from here, so that doesn't really make too much sense.
Sir, we are using a smell sensor, sir, and a mechanical filtering unit, which is connected with the control unit for filtering and separating the different garbage in a different chamber, sir.
So this equipment will be doing that activity also, filtering and, so can you explain a little bit about that, how it will do the filtering and how it will do the separation?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah, what segregation you will be doing through this dustbin? What mechanism you will be using? What sensors you will be using for segregating different types of waste?
Yes.
Because
For the
segregation is
smell
a big
sensor, sir.
concern in cities, because even MCs are distributing many dustbins to
Yes.
residents for having the segregated waste. So
Yes,
if it
sir.
is going to work on that, then how it is going to do that? Can you explain that?
Since we are using smell sensor is used, and ultrasonic sensor is also used, sir, to trigger the GSM modem and to give alert to the authority.
You know, how it will be distinguished between the recyclable and not recyclable products?
So we are not recycling it, but we are our proper system will recycling it.
Yeah, okay, thank you.